This is my bag.
We do not do checked bags. Personal.
Oh, there you go. Inside.
Show them this one. Okay.
Hey kids, it's Kamal with The City and Beyond. We've been getting a lot of questions about traveling with a personal bag, so we decided to show you how we do it. Quick disclaimer, this is what works for us. We're not one of those people that do the one bag method. We just pack for what we feel is efficient. We try to do the bare essentials, but still cover a lot of bases. So we're gonna use this personal bag, TSA approved, to show you how to pack 4.5 days worth of clothes. And without further ado, let's get started. And as you can clearly see, there are no trap doors. So, we have my hoodie, some undershirts, underwear, socks, a pair of jeans, a pair of sweatpants, 1, 2, 3, 4 shirts, 1 polo, deodorant, collapsible backpack, a toiletry bag. This has toothbrush, toothpaste, lotion, shampoo, conditioner, travel size cologne, and hand sanitizer with a couple of redundancies. These are my shoes, extra pair of shoes, collapsible, 3 pens, iPad mini with a keyboard, brush, ring light, Bluetooth speaker, contact lenses, eye drops, medication and vitamins, comb, and of course the bag we're packing it in. All of this is going to be going with us. And we're only going to use one bag. Okay, we're going to start with our shoes. We're going to make them our base, and we're going to put them on the bottom. Next, we're going to use socks because you got to put on your socks before you put on your shoes. I like to take the socks and stuff them into the shoes. 1 pair for each shoe. I actually learned this from Selena. Okay, and just to keep everything uniform, we're going to take the other socks and place them in the bag as well. That again, folks, is 5 pairs of socks. Now we're going to take the 2 undershirts that have been rolled, just for prosperity, unroll, and then I'll roll it again. And we're going to place it in the bag, and then the rest of the undergarments, bag, in the bag, in the bag, in the bag, in the bag. This is a good time to put the iPad in. iPad with the keyboard. If you have another type of portable tablet, laptop thingy, this is a good time to put it. For this occasion, I'm just keeping it simple. My laptop's actually pretty big. I'd probably keep it in a separate bag, but we're gonna go with this one. Keep that on the side there. We'll get back to that guy later. All right. We're gonna take these sweatpants and we're gonna roll them as well. There. Collapsible backpack can go in. Bluetooth speaker can go in. The deodorant can go in. And actually the toiletry bags can go in as well. Now we're going to roll up the polo shirt. And we're going to roll up these. And then the brush, ring light, comb, contacts, and pens in case you gotta fill out a form. And now we will close the bag. Very minimal resistance. It's kept its shape. This will slide right in.
Struggle's real. There you go. Okay.
So now some of you may be wondering, I didn't get everything. Well, actually, I would wear these jeans and I would wear this hoodie to the airport because honestly, I get cold and wearing the hood helps me sleep. So I would wear this to and from the airport. This might actually even be my jacket for the trip, depending on the weather. Might even just put it around my waist, honestly. And I would wear these jeans for the entire trip. So that is 5 shirts, 5 undershirts, 5 socks. I'll be wearing a different pair of shoes, so 2 pairs of shoes, computer, tablet, toiletries, medication, different specs, and that will last me for 4.5 days. This is actually how I would pack for 4 days, but I like to bring extra shirts, underwear, and socks in case something happens, like you get a drink spilled on you or something and you want to change and not have to buy more clothes. It's more of a preventative measure. So in actuality, if you wanted to wear something different, that could be the way that you can do it, as opposed to putting the extra clothes in. You can put something nice in. But this is how I pack my bags, and to some extent this is how Selena packs her bag as well. And I mean, to be perfectly honest, this is Selena's bag, but this is a good way to show you. So yeah, this is how we pack a personal bag for 4 days. I hope it was very informative. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thumbs up if you pack this way. Thumbs up if you're even slightly impressed. Click the bell so you can see more informative videos. Subscribe, tell your friends, and every share saves a puppy. See you next week. Bye.